So yeah, so that's quite that question itself is quite straightforward, right? Hmm. So okay. So next part. Okay. Okay, this question talks about this, right? So what happened is, okay, I will simplify a certain explanation first. Now I am drawing 2D. I'm looking from top down. This is the string. The green color is the string. And basically you have something like that. If the string breaks, the thing will fly 90 degrees away from it. Okay, so what happened is, if I look from top down, so literally my eyes are here. I'm looking from here. I will see this ball basically moving in this, then this, then this, then this, then this, in this shape, right? So in other words, we can say that this is sort of considered as a horizontal straight line. Agree? It's a straight line. So from the horizontal plane, it's moving in a straight line. But in actual fact, if you consider this this at this position, the height may be 10 meters. At this position drops to 8 meters, 6 meters, 4 meters, 2 meters. So if you look from this angle, it's actually going downwards, vertically. You understand what I mean? So therefore curve in a vertical plane. Okay? A line along the radius of the circle. So in this case, that means that radius, right?
I was thinking of the circle. Anyway, okay,
Yeah.
that makes sense.
Okay, cool. Okay, then the next part will be your questions, right?
Yeah, wait, let me just, one,
Okay, question 1B.
I don't know how to draw the graph. Like, I don't know why it's like that.
1B. Okay. The planet Venus may be considered. Okay, let me put this. Just letting you know that I'm actually streaming, but your voice but your voice are muted, so no one can hear you.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, the planet Venus may be considered. Okay. To be a sphere of uniform density, surface. Okay, so what do they want to draw? Gravitational field strength. At a certain time, the position of Earth and Venus are aligned so that distance between them is minimum. Okay. Sketch a graph on the axis below. Show how magnitude of gravitational field G varies with distance along the shorter straight line between their surfaces. Surfaces. Gravitational field strength. The closest to go, so basically this G, the closest you are, stronger it is. Surface of Earth, surface of Venus. This is the distance. The gravitational field strength of the surface of Venus is 8.87. Surface of Earth will be 9.81. So that the distance between is the minimum. Sketch a graph below how the gravitational field varies the distance along the shorter straight line between the two. So in my head, I'm considering this is Earth, then maybe like this is Venus. Between them, there's a line, and we call it distance D.
Yeah.
So at different position, how does it change? So if you're at the surface of Earth, it will be 9.81. If you're at surface of Venus, it will be 8.87.
Yeah.
As you go, I will make the assumption that as I go further and further and further, it will drop. Oh my god. What's the formula again? And gravitational field strength G equals to F over M? No, it's not. About radius.
Um,
GM over R squared, right? So inverse square, I assume it's inverse square law. So okay, in my head I'm considering, should the answer be like that? It basically drops to the distance is not right in the center. The distance will be further away from Earth, then drop to 0 just to go back to Venus. Or there'll be a possibility of it curving like that. So I'm thinking whether is it a straight, it's definitely in this trend. It will definitely drop to 0 at a certain position, where that position is considered neutral between Earth and Venus with almost no gravity field strength, assuming that. So what does the mark team say? It didn't say anything at all. Hmm?
it's a curve, but wait, I didn't see it in the explanation.
Is 0?
It's a curve. Actually, it's like in the same document I sent you.
Oh, it's in the same document?
Yeah, it's just like later.
I suspect it is a curve. And it will curve downwards because inverse square law talks about it curving. It's not directly proportional. It's only proportional to a square. So in other words, my answer would be curve downwards and then it curved back upwards.
Yeah.
Does it match the mark scheme? I haven't seen the mark scheme though.
Yeah, it does.
Okay, let me double check. Paranoia. I need to double check to make sure I don't make mistake. I don't know, when you do something you have to make sure that it's like when you are building a rocket, you have to make sure the rocket don't blow up, right?
Yeah.
And same thing, when you teach someone something, you have to make sure that you are right, or else you're doing more harm than good.
Fair enough. Yeah.
It's like, imagine that it's like, hey, can you like help me? And then someone didn't teach you, like didn't want to help you, versus someone who taught you the wrong thing. The latter is worse. They taught you the wrong thing and now you make it worse. So yeah.
I mean, at least they tried.
Yeah, at least they tried. Yep, okay, it's perfect. Okay. So their curve is more okay, fair enough. It depends on the grade, depends on the units. Okay, you got it right. Okay, next part.
My next question is 3B.
3B. Okay.
Part 2.
Okay. Is A related to it or is totally different?
No, it's unrelated.
Okay. Then I'll just put it side by side for now. 3B, part 2. Okay, your question will be.
I have no idea. And I looked at the mark scheme, but I didn't get what the mark scheme said either.
This one is the I equals to NAEV, I believe.
Yeah.
And
But because like it includes it doesn't include like B or yeah.
what did they give? They say copper contains 8.4 times 10 to the power per cubic meter. So 8.4 times 10 to the power 28 free electrons per cubic meter. So this is okay. The sections of wire is 95 mm long, so 95 mm is the length. Cross sectional area is 5.1 times 10 to the power negative 2 m cubed. Show that they are about this amount in this section of wire. So the keyword lies in the first part. Copper contains 8.4 times 10 to the power of 28 free electrons per cubic meter. So basically is let's highlight it in a different color. So this thing is blah 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 electrons per cubic meter. So in other words, per meter cube, right? So in this case, let's try to draw a wire. How long is the wire?
95 millimeters.
95 mm, right? How much is the cross section area, the width?
5.1
Okay, what's the total volume then?
We can find it.
So 95 divide 1000 to change it to meter times 5.1 times 10 to the power of negative 6, right? And then you should get basically what I get here is 4.845 times 10 to the power negative 7 meter cube. If so far you got it, or okay,
So we find the volume first.
because for 1 meter cube I have 8 okay, you continue from here.
And then you times it by the. That makes sense.
So it's not so much of the NAEV, but rather the try to figure out using the information. Yeah. Okay, next part.
Okay, that makes sense. That was all I had for now, but I also didn't finish it yet.
No worries. Take your time. I'll be literally I'll be streaming until 10, and heck, I'll be sitting here until 12. So I'll be sitting here, and I have other students asking stuff and whatnot. I'll just address to them, or else I just go onto the internet and find people to answer questions for them. So yeah, feel free to chat me up if you have things to ask. Okay.
Okay, thank
Okay. Bye.
you. Bye. I don't know if it's trolling or what, but I don't like what they want. This one should be fine, right? It's not something you're wearing or doing. It's not? Okay, so everyone calm down. So let's do like this for like 20 minutes. And if it still stops, let's go to the like because I cannot stream on here anymore. Okay, so I will give
Hey, hello. Yeah, managed to solve like student stuff, and I'm back. So yeah, and I'm streaming. So, but you're muted. So yeah. Or you want to unmute yourself? I can unmute you. I can push you up. No. The world has to know the greatness of you.
Well, sometimes.
Yes, that's the second greatness they have to know. You and sometimes.
No.
And then when you and sometimes come together, when the star aligns, a special event unlocks itself. It's called your face. What you doing, man?
Just sitting around. Play games.
Um.
Watch
Mm, sell fruits. Yes, sell fruits would be good. Yes, sell fruits would be good. You want to like it's raining, it's like a thunderstorm over on my side. You want to like get your legendary fish? Because I got like 2 in a single day. Empty your inventory.
unless you want some.
Like what?
I don't know. It's a mystery. But if you say yes, I'll just give you whatever.
I mean, what the heck? Why not, right? Okay, yeah, yes, let's go.
Alright,
I think I will regret. But nonetheless. Okay. I need to go. Okay, I'm running over to open the gate. Yeah, you don't have to wish for the turnip price already. The turnip price is going to be lower than your buying price all the way. For my side.
what's the job for? Okay, minimum 1 to
126. Okay, at least that's still not a loss. So not too bad, right? Yeah, not too bad. And then it
prices are very, very low.
okay.
Thing because then it means that for each chart you guarantee that it's a high price for most of the days.
I see.
I usually wake up at 8:30.
Mm-hmm.
Then I always set an alarm for 10:30
You
I'm back.
to sleep.
So I woke up, the alarm and goes to bed.
Basically you wake up and then the song play, wake up in the morning, then you went back to sleep. And then the second time is why?
Because when I wash my mouth out of the check as well
It's like nice. $2,999, right? Oh my god. I wonder what that tastes like. $2,999. I originally thought that I was looking for something to make highball. Why? It's wasteful, is it? Taste profile. Racial profiling? What? Nah, no worries. No one will come in. Wait a minute. That's a VOD, isn't it? You have to do something with the VOD then. Oh, wait a minute. Hey, why you come in? Huh? Wait, why you come in? Why you turn? Why? Oh no. No. Like no, the stream has more people now, so Okay, guys. I mean, if you guys come in and you want to ask any questions, just feel free to chat, leave something in the chat, or just directly Discord me. Okay. So I'm just chilling. I'm just chilling and waiting for questions to be sent in. Okay, then I think I need to prepare my heart for it. Hello. Hello. Yeah, feel free to send in questions that you want to ask. And I'll be solving questions. Just chat with me. Just say hi in the chat. If you know me directly, you can Discord me. But where are you? Trash Island. Okay, that's perfect. I know where Trash Island is.
I'm sorry, this isn't Trash Island. Oh, I'm under mistake.
What? Where? Okay. Hello. You have something to ask? Need some help? Feel free to message. Because it's hard to know who is tuning in. Okay. I'm just chilling. Hey, that's not too bad. No, initially I thought you're gonna contribute more trash to Trash Island. Trash is valuable? Why is it valuable? Yucazon? Okay, I tell you what, Instead of people coming in and don't know what I'm doing, I'm gonna just I don't know. Hmm. Hmm. What? No fear, no fear. Jukebox, jukebox, jukebox. Hmm. Let's see how it looks like. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Yeah. Oh, that's how the timer works. So then when you okay. Why you cry? You're best guy. You rhyme guy with guy. That's why yeah. Face? Yeah. Why? I watch it on my PC. No, when I click like start stream, then I just monitor it. Yeah. Okay, I'm ready. What, the timer runs so fast? So what's the rule? Oh, okay. how would you know how many fish? Oh, okay. Fish, right? Only oh yeah, it's raining. What I'm talking about. I'm a bass guy. Yeah. Is there a page that says that tries to say Seabass should be illegal? Change.org. You want Seabass? Plus 10 to performance. What's your count now? Wow, so fast. Oh, good job. That's karma. We can skip that. No, it's fine. Not everything. We don't have to know the answer to everything in life, you see. That's clickbaity. I'm not clicking it. The fifth. You won't believe the fifth things on this list. No, I think I'll go buy it. Why? Then buy. Why change? Why spend so much time when something will eventually break? Fair enough. Don't worry. Next time when you get hit by a car, I'll try to help you change clothes. We have to hunt. We have to own that moment. You'll be fine. Don't worry. The ambulance is on its way, but for now you have to look dope. Don't worry about that. Police will handle that part. I have actually submitted all the possible evidence to the police, so no worries, okay? Don't worry, your car is under my car. Your car is under my car. So I don't advise you to move too much, you see.
Wait.
If you keep moving your car, then later your car tongue also got problem. I don't know. I don't know. Uh-huh. Car tongue is your butt. I don't know, maybe the connection of the lake? What the fuck is Taunton? Oh my god, this shouldn't be on the stream now. Oh my god, imagine that after we stream after a year, then it's all about all the conversation is just me and you, and then just me solving random things because students don't talk much, and then it will just be compilation of a whole year of bullshit. Then people are like, is this considered bullshit or educational? It's very weird. It's like if you mute the video, it looks educational. If you unmute it, then it's controversial. Hard to say, you see. Why? Is sea bass? Or olive flounder, that's like olive flounder is a consolation prize. Sea bass is just you lost the lottery. And you are glad that you got your money back. Technically speaking, you bought the thing with $4. Oh, basically is try again. Here's a coupon. I don't know, it makes you feel better, but the sea bass does cause your fishing rod to break. What's your count now? Whoa. Why you fish so fast? How you know? Oh shit, you're watching the stream! Shit! Shouldn't have streamed this. Yeah. You see so many bars. If only my students have Animal Crossing. The one of them that has it has a Hong Kong set. Oh my god. They couldn't connect it. They are so sad. Oh, I heard that basically there's a Maxsoft means this region, and then that's by another company in Japan that's not Maxsoft. It's like some, is it? That I don't know. I tried to did some research online. Yeah. Because I read things on Bloomberg, they say that Nintendo wants to increase the production of the Switch, but it's unlikely because the PCB manufacturer and the electrical component come from Malaysia and Philippines, and both countries are not fully functional yet. Hey, why you no pick already? You disappeared ah. I thought you are picking to see how many counts I have. You did what? You're tuning in? Oh, then I guess the concurrent viewers don't count towards my own. Because the concurrent viewer now is 1. So I guess now it's 2. I don't know. Something's. But anyway, guys, if you have things to ask, just ask, okay? I'm just passing time with this thing. I can fish with my left hand and do chemistry with my right hand. No, I will not do that. Later make careless mistakes. Oh, now I understand why you gave me a bunch of things before this starts. It will just take up my space and then I'll lose. Oh no, I was tricked. Okay, we have to get rid of this big fish. Really? You didn't get it? Oh man. Okay, final countdown already. BB, you got how many? What? I didn't hack. Come, we compare. What's the we don't compare numbers, we compare what's the bigger fish you caught. Okay, sure. Here you caught the most, but biggest means most valuable. Okay, we count down. You get the chart first. The most valuable. Okay, 3, 2, show it off, huh? 1. Diddy! Yeah! I caught the big one! Yeah! Why ah? So basically, if you are in an MMORPG, luck is your lowest attribute. You walk out, the stone also causes you damage. Wow. That's one lucky shot. Why are you very sad? $18,000. No. I didn't sell the big fish, so everything sold for 16,000 something. So how much is the big fish cost? I had never sold one before though. waiting for OJ to come. Ah. Yeah, no, I'll sell to OJ.
You wanna make sure you carry this
And tight gloves, right? How sure you okay. Give me 5 minutes. Wait, a student asking questions soon. I need to go grab my 2 shells and then we need to come back. Oh shit, it's 9:30 already. I better go buy stuff from the remind me to buy the things. I tell you what, I go buy first before I answer questions. Then at least buying things is an important thing. Would you give up your Animal Crossing saves just because your work? Yeah, but what if? Oh, wait a minute. What about the merchant? What time will he go bye bye? The merchant outside. Midnight, is it? Yeah. That's cool. Oh, really? Oh, I never knew that. The whole game only he has backpacks? Not even the Able Sisters? Oh. Soon. Why? Who's calling? Ghostbusters? Who you gonna call? Why? Why not them? I already bought. Never mind, just pass me more. Yeah. What do you mean by clean up? You want to take it, huh? Okay, take. Since you got, so you got use what? You got use for it, just take. You use it to craft what? Ah, okay. Oh no, I'm broke. I need to go take money. No, not take money. That's what the Singaporean call it. Press money. You basically take the money, you press money, right? Do you press money? Using a pen? So far, does it work? Did anyone caught on? So much nonsense! I'll deal with you later. After I answer the students' questions first. Wait. Let me just buy the. Let me buy bags first. Give me 1 more minute. 1 more minute. Yeah, you gotta start the bloody timer. Radiant timer started. I didn't know that you can be so annoying with the timer. Okay, I gotta buy the new timer already. Only he carry bags, man. What about shoes? No, the Able sister has shoes. What's a knapsack? Okay, what's a sakoshi bag? Oh, you know your fashion. Sakoshi bag. Gumdrop straw sakoshi. Oh my god, the timer is still running. Gumdrop sakoshi, gumdrop straw. Your head ah. Straw. Okay, I'm done. Okay, bye. Shoe. No, you can't report on Nintendo games. It doesn't work that way. Please don't reform me. I'm not toxic. I'm reformed. I'm not toxic anymore. Okay, I reform. Oh no! Oh no! My stream is working against me now. Okay, fast. I think I have a hand-knit pouch before. Okay, let me double check that, then I will go to help my student. So you're taking an actual call, right? Or nature's call? But who you gonna call? Ghostbusters. You're afraid of ghosts? Okay, how does it sound then? No? Okay, I will handle the lyrics you handle. Okay, I'll handle the music part. Why? Why? Always got cut off. No. Okay. I'm going back to solve questions from my students. I see you later, okay? Bye. Oh. Hello. Hey. Yes, okay. When you say I have two questions about the same worksheet, so I assume it's the previous one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So mm-hmm.
Oh,
Question 4C, right?
yeah.
Okay. So I assume oh, okay, everything seems to link. I need to bring the whole thing down. Okay, state your question. Hmm.
I didn't really get the reasoning, I guess.
Okay, let me see. Figure 1 shows 3 students A, B, C stand at different points of Earth's surface. A is standing at North Pole, B is standing at the equator, C is standing in somewhere in between. So student B stands on the bathroom scale calibrated to weigh weight in newtons. If Earth were not rotating, the weight recorded will be equal to the force calculated in part A1. Use the Newton gravitational law to calculate gravitational force exerted by Earth on a student. So if it's not rotating, it will be that. Okay. State and explain how the rotation of Earth affects the reading of the bathroom scale. Rotating. So axis of rotation is vertical. So it rotates. Okay. Okay, so yes, okay, I have seen the mark scheme. Which part doesn't make sense?
The bit of like some of the gravitational force provides the necessary centrifugal force.
Some of the gravitational force provides the necessary centripetal force. Okay, so to confirm my understanding, so he is standing at C. If Earth does not spins, the scale, the weight that it measures will be less, right? And then if it spins, then it will be more, right? Okay, so in this case, my first questions to ask is, okay, let me draw this way. This is a circle.
I can't see anything.
Oh no, oh no, okay, okay. Oh no, what's happening? What about now?
Yeah, got it.
Okay, so you see this red circle? Okay, so with the red circle, what happened is, if something spins, oh no. If something spins in this direction, let's say this is a 2D circle, it will have a generally at every position you will have a centripetal force pointing to the center of the circle, right? So if something rotates, you will have a centripetal force. So A, this person standing, there will be basically gravitational force marked by red color already. Because Earth spins around, it will cause C to be spun around since it's attached to the surface of the to Earth, right? So therefore, with the rotation, it will have a second centripetal force pointing to the center of Earth. So
Okay.
yeah, so this one will be centripetal force due to the spinning, and then the rate will be gravitational field strength due to gravity. So these two add together, you get the weight that is measured. But if the spinning stops, centripetal force cannot be true because nothing's spinning. Then if things are not spinning, you cannot have centripetal force. Therefore, the measurement will be lesser, only measuring G, which is make sense? Okay, next part.
Next one is 5B4. Just the last question of 5.
Okay. Whoa, this.
And kind of.
Okay, thermionic emission by heating. So 4, right? Okay, let me. Whoa, this. Wait a minute. 5A, 5B. So 5B4, right?
Yep.
Okay, so let me just copy up this whole entire cathode ray tube of an oscilloscope. Whoa, this looks huge. Calculate the vertical displacement of Y. Calculate the vertical displacement Y of the electron beam from the center of the screen. Give your answer in m, in meters. So basically how much it gets deflected from its original center position. So with that, passes through 2 horizontal metal plates and goes on to strike a fluorescent screen at the end of the tube. The plate is separated by a gap. The potential difference is maintained between the plates. An individual electron takes to pass through the plates. The distance between the right hand edge of the plate and the fluorescent screen. Right hand edge. It's 0.2. Oh, okay. Okay, what does SVSH means? Yes. Or what does SV?
I think that's like good.
Yeah, equals to VVVH. So I assume S is displacement, V is velocity somehow. Click with B1 and B2. Okay, let's double check. Textbook. Electric field. Electric field. Heating effect. What? I don't need heating effects. Electric cell, magnetic field, electric field. SV. Okay, never mind. It seems our textbook doesn't have this, right? I'm looking at it. It's okay, no worries. I'll figure out using this then. Okay, this is the question. Question. Okay, figure below. Show that the vertical acceleration of an electron as it passes through the horizontal plate is approximately that. E equals to V over D, F equals to big E small e, F equals ma. Then show that the vertical distance traveled by the electron is 3.6. Okay. Vertical component of velocity achieved is 4.7. Show that the vertical component of velocity. So let's assume this is 4.7 times 10 to the power 6 over so let's make this assumption this with 0.2. SV remains to be found. SVSH, VVVH. So the pass between the plates, the distance between the right hand edge. Vertical acceleration. Seen or use. 7.5 times 10 to the power of 9. You found any part that uses the times 7.5 times 10 to the power negative 9?
No, that's why I was confused.
Okay. Maybe for wrong T. electric, magnetic. Show that the vertical acceleration of an electron as it passes through the horizontal metal plates is 3.2. 3.2 times 10 to the power of 15. F equals ma. You do have F. A equals to V minus U over T. A equals to V minus U over T, so times T. Times 1.5 times 10 to the power of negative 9. Oh no! That's fine. The calculator flew away. Okay. 7.5 times 10 to the power of 9 seen or used. Strike a fluorescent screen. Yeah. Maintain an individual electron takes to pass through the plates. Oh. Wait a minute. To pass through the plates, so one, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7. Okay. Zero point zero 0.035. That's 0.035 for wrong T. 0.0353 for wrong T. Oh. Okay. 0.04 divide 5 times 10 to the power of negative 9. Seven point five. Yeah, 7.5. So that means the speed used here is 0.04 VV is 4.7. Vertical component velocity 4.7 times 10. Vertical horizontal component. Well, I got 0.04 divide by 1.5 times 10 to the power of -9. That's the time. That's the horizontal speed. So the distance traveled is 0.2. Vertical distance is... May use ratio for first. Okay. So we get 0. Oh shoot. So what we get here will be 3.5 times 10 to the power -2 meters. At... Oh, wait a minute. What do they want to find? Calculate the vertical displacement from the center of the screen. Give your answer in M. Okay, they say C1, A1, B1. What does that mean? In terms of mark scheme. So so the final answer is 3.53 times 10 to the power -2?
No, isn't it 3.553 times? Yeah, 3.53 times 10 to the power -2.
I don't quite understand. I know where the T comes from, but I don't understand why the T was placed there.
Where does the T come from?
Okay, I explain. I figure out majority of the thing already. So everything okay? So if you look at this situation, what's the horizontal velocity? It will be 0.04 meters. This part 0.04. How much time does it take for it to go through that gap? This time, right? So 0.04 divided by 1.5 times 10 to the power -9. Because distance divided by time. So horizontal velocity will be 0.04 divide 1.5 times 10 to the power -9. Then what you get will be 2.67 times 10 to the power 7. So that's the horizontal velocity. Then what about vertical? Vertical velocity. Vertical velocity is obtained from question 3, part 3, that you've proven that already. Part 3 shows that vertical velocity is 4.7 times 10 to the power 6. So that's okay, right? So horizontal distance will be 0.2. It has to use that speed to travel for 0.2. So horizontal distance, I'll use SH. It's not this color, the color is wrong. SH, horizontal distance, equals to 0.2 meters. And it's if it's vertical distance, it will be Y. We don't know. Okay, so in this case, the time required for then we can the time required for it to travel from here to here is the same for time from here to here. Agree? So what is the time to travel from these two red points? It will be, since we know this is 2.67 times 10 to the power 7, right?
Yeah.
Velocity equals to distance over time. So velocity times, distance divide velocity, we get time. So 0.2 divide this. So 0.2 divide that, you will get 7.5 times 10 to the power of -9 seconds.
Okay.
Travel from this red point to this red point, right? So now, then since we know this amount of time is what it hits the thing, it will be the same amount of time for it to travel vertically. So how much distance will it travel? Velocity for vertical is this, time is that, so what do? We do the same thing, right? We find distance, so
8 times time.
and then you get 0.03375, which is 3.53. You should get roughly around that,
Okay.
right? So basically find the time for it to travel for that 0.2 portion will be the same time it travels vertically. Else you can use the ratio. Ratio basically says that the time, the distance it travels, and the distance it travels vertically and horizontally will be, the ratio will be the same, comparing speed and distance.
Okay.
That's how you solve question 4.
That makes sense.
Okay, next part. You send me 2 more questions.
Yeah. So it's on the magnetic field.
Okay, then this one is the finger question. You have to use the left fleming. Yeah, but you got better. It's not that bad. Don't break your hand. Okay, this one, right? A beam of electron move between the poles of magnets. So remember that if then the finger is from north to south, the current is going in this direction. So there, current goes that direction. Because left fleming hand, and then it's because it is a beam of electrons, the current will go opposite direction, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the left fleming hand law, the force will be going upwards.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Then the other one is, the diagram shows, let me shift this. Okay, the diagram shows 2 current carrying wires, PQ, shows that a conventional current. Electromagnetic force on Q is the same plane wire. What direction will the force on Q? So there's no magnetic force, so I assume this is consider using Greek rule. So I use my thumb, then I will find that this thing curls around this way, and P will curls around, curls around this way, which means this is considered as same in the plane of the paper. the electromagnetic force on Q is the same plane of that of wire. What is the direction of the electromagnetic force acting on Q? Q, curve down. P, curve the other side. Same direction will cause them to same direction will attract, opposite direction repel. Electromagnetic force of Q is in the same plane of that of wires. What is the direction of electric acting on Q? Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. It's a left Fleming hand. So you know why? They are on the same plane. So what happened is the yellow part generates a magnetic field going into the page. Then Q is current is going this way. So what force will it affect? So if you have your left Fleming hand, we focus on the green part first. Basically your pointer finger goes into the page. Current goes following the red direction, and then your thumb will be pointing upwards. So therefore A. So this is actually a trick. This is actually trying to generate a bunch of magnetic field. So yeah, this is actually going upwards. Okay, one more you sent through. Okay. Shift down. The diagram shows the path of a magnetic field. So it goes up, magnetic field goes into the page, and the field is directed into the planes of the page. So finger points into the page, thumb pointing upwards because it's going upwards. That means current is going this way. This is direction of the current according to left Fleming hand. So it definitely cannot be electrons. So photon, neutron carries no charge. So they wouldn't get affected by a magnetic field, right? Okay. Then my understanding is that if it's beta decay, it will produce electrons. Yes, which cannot be B. Then you will be left alpha particle, because generation of alpha particles produce positive ions, which you learned before, right? The positive ions gets it will produce positive ions, and the force goes upwards. Yeah.
Okay, I get it.
Cool. Okay, so I assume so far so good. That's what you have for now, right?
Yeah, it's for now.
Okay. If anything, just send through. I'm just gonna chill with Animal Crossing.
Wow. Oh, that's nice. Okay.
Okay, see you later. Bye.
Bye.
Hey, what you doing? I think. Ting ting. Hmm. Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. What happened?
Oh yeah, good news and bad news.
Bad news.
The Terraria world we were playing on exploded.
Good news.
No, there's no good news.
You see, then you say good news and bad news. What the? Hey, that's not very nice. That's not very nice.
No, I'm kidding. So, no, I set up base again.
Why did it? Oh no, no. When you say exploded, is it because it died or what's going on?
Oh no, there's no job save.
Oh, then why? What did we do wrong that it exploded?
No, nothing. I just reformatted my computer.
Okay. Oh, right. That's why it exploded.
So, but it's fine. I set up another base one. Wrong way.
Okay.
Oh, but your character. Oh, yeah, I think you follow your character. So, whatever you collected, you still have.
Whatever you collected, you still have it. Or for me? You. Oh, this is new Paper Mario game coming to Nintendo Switch.
Ah, yes. They announced it half an hour.
Oh. Is Paper Mario good?
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Anything Nintendo is good according to you, right? Why? Why not?
Well, because there was the Wii U up.
Wii U. But Wii U is not so bad, right?
It's okay.
Okay. Compare having Wii U and Virtual Boy. Virtual Boy bomb harder, isn't it?
Okay, here's the problem, right? Virtual Boy was an experiment with, like virtual reality.
Mm-hmm.
But I mean, yeah, it bombed really hard. There were only like, there's only like a few games released for it, and it was hard to use. It was ice raining. It's not portable. You require
Right. Hey, wait a minute. My student calling me again. Let me pick up the call.
not sure.
Hello. Hey, no worries, no worries. It's fine, it's fine. Okay, this question is very similar to the previous one. The hint lies with the, you know, the current is actually a magnet with a mass. So if the current is going in that in vertically upwards, where does the magnetic field that it generates goes? It goes. No. It's because right hand grip rule. You curl your fingers. Is going into the page, right?
Yeah.
Is it? Oh, I can draw on it.
Oh, I just did it myself. Yeah.
Yeah. So if it's basically going into the page, so you use left Fleming hand. It says that the positive charge particle, so it definitely is not electrons, so a positive charge particle, so the current is going in that direction. So magnet goes into the page, current goes up, then your thumb will be pointing to the left. Give it a try.
So because the positive charge current up. Wait, what?
Okay, no worries. Why doesn't it paste? Okay, I'm trying to take this out. Oh no, not this. Yeah. Okay, you look at this page. So what happened is the current, you use a grip rule, it goes this way, right? Your fingers. So that means that the magnetic field is going into the page.
Yeah.
So current is going this direction. So this is current.
Oh yeah, and then to the left. Oh, okay.
Then you basically, aligned it. Then you will have your thumb pointing this way, which is the force.
Okay, I get it now. Thank you.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Thank you, bye.
Bye. Hello. Hey, I back. Yes, so we are talking about Paper Mario and Virtual Boy with a weird stand. You don't know? Maybe. But we, you know, at least right, I was on the verge of, I was tempted to buy the Wii U, you know. You know why? Because of the multiplayer games, you know, the is it called Nintendo Land? Yeah, Nintendo Land was cool, but maybe because I didn't own it, then so I was like tempted it by the you know the torchlight game, that 3 players torchlight where 1 person is the ghost. The Luigi, is it called Luigi Haunted Mansion, I think? Is it? I don't know. That's pretty cool. And then the Mario Chase, the catching game is also pretty cool. And then I think I forgot what was it. What is it? Animal Crossing? Something with like eating candies. Eating candy one, is it Animal Crossing? Not really. Why? No. It did when I say is it Animal Crossing means that did they use a character from Animal Crossing? Yeah. Oh, I didn't try that. Was it bad? Yeah. I think that's pretty cool, I guess.
No, do you like the mini games? Mario Party?
Okay, I didn't try much, but okay, what I heard from people argue is that when it comes to Mario Party, people argue that there's not enough variety to the maps and mini games. It's limited to the Switch one.
Yeah, well, that is true, right? But you like Mario Party?
Given that I literally have a house party and people are awkward, and then you can use that to engage at least 4-6 person. And that's pretty cool, I think.
Imagine Mario Party without mini games and everybody's favorite part.
Then what's left? No. What you're telling me that is Mario Party without mini game. All it has is dice rolling. Is that a game? It's an Animal Crossing theme game that only has dice rolling. Then what decision do I have to make? Then just roll for me, man. You don't even... They could just put the skin on the Mario Party. You'll be lazier but better. Right. Oh, do you saw I think tomorrow or tonight is where they're announcing new graphic card. You know who's Jensen Huang? No, the what do I call this? The trench coat guy, Nvidia. He's basically Spectre. He's Spectre. Is it Spectre? No. What's his name? What's the guy in Resident Evil called? The guy with a sunglasses on all the time. Spectre. No, it's definitely not called Spectre. It's called something else. He's the final boss. Wesker, yes. Yeah, that's real life Wesker. Do you see his Twitter? Oh, he basically took out the world most powerful and the largest. He didn't say most powerful. The world's largest GPU world's largest GPU from his house oven. Okay, do you have an oven at home? Can we rent it for like half an hour for productions? Never mind, we'll figure out that part first. Oh, just yet. We'll figure out that part, then we can talk business. What? Oh man. Oh, I heard that the Joy-Con drifting also happens to Pro controllers. Is it true? And people are getting really angry about it. They say it's like, I pay good money for the Joy-Con, and then that drifts, and then the Pro controller, that also go bye-bye. So yeah, okay, let me pass something to my mom. Give me a while, I'll be back. Hey yo. Hey. Ah, okay. So Nick is playing PUBG, I see. Is PUBG like free now? Nah, it still requires money. What you doing? Oh, do you know? I realized that whenever you dock the switch, it gets hotter.
Yeah.
Wow. Underclock. So technically speaking, it's that underpowered, this thing. Given that it works at 1080, it's already, but that again is the size. You cannot compare it with PlayStation and or Xbox. Well, given the size, right, is because size, I don't know. I think size and cooling always goes inversely proportional. So yeah. I think the student is done for the day. Wow, the original dock of the Nintendo is so expensive one. Wow. What do you want to do after this? I'm just looking through some stuff. Hmm. Gathering materials. In Terraria? Hmm. So let me guess. Fighting in the game is mainly about kiting. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Why? Mm. How do you buy for copper? I didn't even see copper before. I only have lead and tin. Is it? Mm-hmm. It sounds like wood, right? Oh. So you're just looking for new stuff inside the game? Mm. I'll just continue to keep the stream up maybe for another. Oh hey, hello. Do you have any questions for us? I mean, I'm doing this stream to. Okay, I'm just hey. Hello. Yeah, I'm just doing this stream to answer questions. If you have any questions, you can let me know. Like you could, yeah, that anything I could help. Anything can help you with? Okay. You have to post the questions to. I mean, if you have any questions that you can just type on chat, that would be good. And if there's a picture and you have a screen or something, and you could actually put it in Reddit. That's what I meant. Yeah, but you're right. Maybe I should make it clearer. Is there anything I can help you with? I mean, you have things to ask. ABTN will have to deal with. But I think someone's on stream trying to ask a question, so I will wait for a while, see whether what I can do to help. Oh, okay, cool, no problem. PT, you want to try Don't Starve? Or you don't like, or you're like, you're a bit paranoid with the game.
It's not that I don't mind, but you need to know as I
I only know how to survive the first season. That's pretty much it. I only know how to survive the first season.
because if you don't manage the game, you will always be.
Let's just try the first season. Mm. Okay, shall we try? Shall we try?
But you ever know, when I play non-stop, right,
Mm-hmm.
the guy always takes forever.
Okay, then you can stay home and like defend the base or something. Only you only stay home. Okay. Base management, huh? Good. Hmm. Basic base. Basic base survive base.
You know what? I do want to run around now.
Wherever I am, you'll run the other direction, right? Is Manta online? I don't think so. Yeah, it's fine, don't worry. I most likely gonna just stream another 15 minutes, I guess.
As in, like, Manta is like most experience with it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Probably should play with it.
Okay, let me just start a new server, I guess. Cooperative, social, competitive, madness. Which one?
It doesn't.
Mm,
It's very loud.
yeah, the you have to like tune it down.
It doesn't matter which one you pick.
Okay, world generated. I think it's called Seraph's World, I think.
It doesn't matter which one you pick because all that thing does is show it on the listing.
Listening.
Game listing.
Mm.
You know when you search for the browse for like servers, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because pressing any of the buttons doesn't affect the game except for how other people behave in the server.
Ah, okay.
You set a password.
Yes. Typical. Back. Yeah, the usual. Back if standard. I don't know, I find this game pretty cool nowadays. Don't you think this game is cool? But I think you prefer Terraria, right? It's more chill. I don't know, man. Am I able to eat monster meat? So basically it teaches us that as long you add heat to cook something, anything's edible. And if you can add chili, no matter how bad something is, everything is edible. No, not edible, palatable. I don't think so. I think the equivalent in the game is meatballs. Just dump. No one will question what gets rolled into a meatball, right? Right.
Do you have any mods on?
I think the only mods I have is the GPS mod. Yeah. Maybe the GPS mod is not on mine. It's on, because when I used to have it, it's like it's not I have it. It's like in the world has it. Am I making sense?
Yeah, because one has like that. I mean, you don't have.
Then how? If that's the case?
I'll just exit and just go get mods and
Okay, so disconnect, huh? Okay, I'll wait for you to disconnect first. Okay. Because if without the GPS mod, we'll get lost. Okay. GPS. Up to date, more info. How to get mods? Is it called global position? Show fire, charcoal, show. Scoreboard, never. Scoreboard? Fly. Okay. Wormhole marks, what is that called? So I need to go search for something called wormhole. Wormhole what? Okay. Is that cheating?
once you enter, it will tell you where. If you don't get the name, just where.
So it didn't. You still have to try it in order to find out. That's okay. That's not too bad. Okay, resume world. Yeah, what is back?
You start.
Yeah, I started the world.
Can you send me an invite?
Okay. Does it work? No, I said when you come in, does the GPS mod works?
Did you enable it in the second?
Yes, I enabled it. I click apply. Why is it not working? Okay. Disconnect. Let me double check. Or else it's unplayable, right? It is. It's harder. So okay. I will Is it because I have to restart the whole game? Mods. Server mods. Did I make a mistake? No. Something's not right. Configure modes up to date. Mods can be viewed. Clean all. Clean all? What does clean all means? And throw everything out? Mods can be viewed and configured. Is it because I have to generate the world before I apply the mod? Hmm. World is generated, but it's getting dark though. Hold me, partner. It's getting dark. Mwah. Yeah, I need to ask Manta on what mods. He has even had mods to what shift to drop or something. Yeah. No, we have to restart this. Manta. Have Manta been posting anything? You can't see each other, right? I'm east side of the gate. Grassy fields? Oh yeah, I see you. Hey, you're the bad guy. Hey, bad guy. Hey, why the bad guy can run so fast? Oh, I didn't know that walk on the path increase your walk speed. Hey, why you cry? Huh, why you cry? I let you have something to cry about. See, now you can cry. Hey, why you are not? Hey, praise me, I did something. Praise me. Oh my god, why you got magic book? What are you trying to do? Why are you? What's this book thing? That's your crafting table. Oh, I didn't know that. You can do that? Oh, no wonder you picked this guy. That's pretty cool. Is it? Wow. Wow, imagine you can do that in real life.
But the sad thing is, I won't be able to get more of these now
Why?
if they have done it. Because I need nightmare fuel and they don't come bloody cheap.
So if you have nightmare fuel, you can make more of that?
Now,
How many more? What's the maximum numbers? Oh,
I never had more than 3.
okay. That's it then. Let's aim to play a game with Manta and then we max out the amount. What about 56?
You can try.
No worries, I won't die. How bad can it be?
Never had.
Nightmare fuel, right?
Yeah. Shit, that's
Okay, let me properly end the stream, then let's continue this. Okay guys, that's pretty much for today. I'm gonna just, wind down and play some games. And in case you have anything to ask, post it on the Reddit. And I'll see you guys most likely next Monday. I'll be on stream next Monday again. Next Monday to Thursday. Else, I will answer anything posted to my Discord or my Reddit. Okay? See you. Take care. Bye.